Okay, so hello, and this is only me today, and I'm gonna be opening this cool piñata.
Piñata.
Yeah.
It's called Piñata.
This is how you do it.
I think there's little prizes or something inside.
Yeah, there's little prizes inside. There's 3 strings.
Okay.
Okay, so first.
All right, so I found the instructions and it says you pull the strings. Oh, and then it looks like that in each container. There's 3 strings in each one. It makes some kind of charm bracelet.
Oh, okay, so let's get going with the first one. I want to open this one last.
Okay, which one are you gonna open last? The pink one?
Yeah, the pink one.
Okay.
Oh,
Is that working?
wait.
I think it comes out from the bottom, doesn't it?
No.
Why don't you try a different string?
I see a little hole right there.
Okay, we'll try a different string for now.
Maybe this one?
Yeah, try that one.
Ah!
Ooh,
Wait,
there's
look!
confetti. And
And a hot dog!
a hot dog. That's funny.
Confetti.
And stickers.
And stickers.
Okay.
Pull the other string. Oh, one more. There's one more.
There's
Confetti.
something else in there? Oh,
No, there's
another
one more
of
piece of
confetti.
confetti. I don't understand why. Wait, maybe if I take this off. Wait a minute. Let me
Look at it.
try.
Here, will you hold this? Oh, here.
Huh, there.
All right, pull it again.
Oopsies.
That's okay. What is it, Alex?
Wait, I wanted to.
Here, just show us what it is.
So first he got hot dog.
Wait,
Now he has
wait.
stickers.
I want to open it again.
Ooh, there's stickers in it. I'm not gonna do it again, Alex.
Star. Hey guys!
A hot dog and a star.
Look down there. The leprechaun's leaving Alex a coin.
That's what Alyssa got, that little llama thing.
Yeah, the leprechaun left a coin for Alex.
Okay, Alex, last string.
For the final one, and it has to be the best.
Whoa.
Watermelon.
Here, put it down. Let's
A
see.
heart rate.
A watermelon and
Rating.
a heart ring.
Hey,
And more confetti.
it might go for this.
Cool. So it looks like that.
I'll clean up all the confetti.
Looks like that you can put those little pieces on a string or a bracelet. And then it says that you can reuse these compartments. You can hide new stuff in the piñata and open it.
Oh,
Okay? Pretty neat, huh?
yeah.
Okay. We'll open these.
Yeah.
So
Bye.
I'm gonna clean up the confetti.
Okay, thank you, Alyssa. See you later.
Bye.